What's up, YouTube? It's your boy named Johnny Jones. Back in the building with another video. Another game of creative destruction. You know what I'm saying? These kids are bots on this game. A level 8 already, you know what I'm saying? First duo, 7 defeats. Man, we're gonna play some duo by myself. Cause you know, we are the monsters. You know what? I'm gonna do it with me. And me and this dude are going to go ham. Goodbye, bots. So you guys told him we finna get this dub. He said yeah. And we're about to get this dub, no? About to get a nice clean dub too. I think it was solo duo by myself. And then a dude had airstriked me and killed me. I think I should have built it over me. Straight to my building. Why? Oh my god, he's still falling. Oh my god. Never seen that. Oh no. You can go right there and you can get out of my inventory. What are your problems, dude? You're lame, bro. Ooh, Scar. I like to see the look of that. For sure. Oh, it's lagging. Hold on. It's lagging, y'all. Hey, don't be the bot, bro. Don't be such a bot, bro. Do I have a gun? I'm sorry, I'm just gonna die. Wait, did I start the video? Oh. Kids are bots. Wait, who? Who just... Where did that rocket come from? Wait, what? Did it come from over in that house over there?
Fall back!
No, nigga, it had to come from over here. Bro, how you gonna tell me to fall back and I got a gun? It had to come from over here. Had to. But it's cool if you come over and blast that food bad. Watch. Cause these kids are What's the word? Bots, you know what I'm saying? Kids are voodoo bots, bro. Wait. These what? What do you mean, brother? That Uzi trash to me, you guys. Uzi sucks. No? Such a bot. Uzi's such a bot. Ooh, bandages. I like the look of that. I'm supposed to be doing shotguns only. So when I get a shotgun, I'm gonna drop all my inventory. Yeah, wait. Oh, chest. Probably got a shotgun. If I get a shotgun, I'm gonna drop all my inventory. If I get a shotgun. Yeah, I'm gonna drop my inventory if I get a shotgun. Goodbye. Come here. I'm just there as a noob. Such a bot, yo. I don't have a shotgun.
Fall back.
There we go, boy. Shit. Wait. What? Wait, why don't you take my... Oh. Drop. Come here. Goodbye. There's a kid over there. Hey, kiddo. Hey, kiddo. The freak? Wait. Faggot. Come here, boy! Somebody should be for this way. Something should be for this way. Butter. Kids are bots, yo. Ooh, guys, can we cheat? Can we cheat and get an RPG? I love the sound of RPG. Let me see how RPGs he has. Never mind, you guys. I don't want it. It's just junk. Ooh. The sound of botish over here, huh? Sound of bot. Oh. Seeing the bot. You're dying, dude. You're dying, dude. No coming back for you, dude. You bot! You stand the shit out of that gun. Bitch. Fuck down. Fuck wrong with you, brother? The fuck wrong with you? Oh. Fuck wrong with you, brother? Fuck wrong with you, brother?
Did you call me?
No.
Where my brother is?
Airdrop is coming.
I don't know. What do you mean, brother? These kids are...
What do you mean, brother?
Kids are holy bots, brother.
What do you mean, brother?
Kids are holy bots. What? I don't even know about it. 10 kills? Oh, I'm on level 8, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. What about? Oh my god. Oh my. Bot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 12 12 kills and 51 people left. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, another bot. Hi, bot. Say hello to my little friend. I know. It's alright. It's alright, bot. It's alright.
Airdrop is coming.
It's alright, bot. In your face. Oh, he don't play no. You're gonna die. You faggot. You're gonna die. Kills, you guys. 14 freaking kills, you guys. I never had 14 kills before, you guys. I never had 14 kills before. With only shotguns? 14 kills and 44 people left. Oh my partner. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no dying for you. No types of dying for you. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Faggot. Get away from my partner. Get away from my partner. Get away from my partner. Let me tell you. Everything's gonna be okay. There you go. Let's go. I got time to do this fucking deal all day. I got bodies to search for. 15 kills and 35 people left. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry, partner. You're gonna have to die. If I die, I die. So, you guys, the meter down there, it don't, you know, it don't, the green, like Fortnite, it goes down when you're in the storm. The shield goes down though, but on here, the shield goes down. Dang, I'm sorry. I can't get you. Sorry. Can't get you. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. So sorry, bro. So sorry, bro. So sorry, bro. Can't come back and get you. I was already gone. Make it feel right.
Airdrop is coming.
Gotta get to that circle. I might die. I might die. Because my partner was a distraction to the kills I got right now. And he helped me out. So shout out to my partner. NO222 8058. 8058. Shout out to him. Thank you for getting me, distracted to get where I am now. Because Hey, Mr. Bot. Hey, Mr. Bot. Hey, Mr. Bot. Hey, Mr. Bot. How are you, Bo? How are you, Mr. Bot? Bingo! 16 kills, y'all. We are on the road here. I can pick up those bandages, you know. 16 kills. Oh my god. I'm definitely posting this on YouTube. I don't care if I die. Oh. I really don't care if I die. I'm posting this on YouTube, you guys. I'm really posting this to YouTube to try to get enough, you know, subscribers and followers and everything. And yeah, shout out to Skippy Killer. Ooh, shout out to Skippy Killer. Ooh, bot. Bodish. I didn't say nothing about you, nigga. No, I didn't. 17 kills, yo. These kids are real life bots, yo. Like, come on, dude. You can get me better than that. It's not that easy to kill me. Whoa. Oh. Sniper on board. Sniper on board. Sniper is on board. With that bot. Give me that booty, boy. Ooh, he got a minigun. I gotta watch out. Got a minigun. Ooh, let me let them fight. Wait, I might get sniped though. Ooh. Did you move yet? Nope. Stay right there. Give me that booty, boy! 18 kills. Give me that booty, boy! Sniper on there.
Airdrop is coming.
Ooh, sniper. He's not a bot. Ooh, they're getting double teamed. Like a good team though. Straight till they go to the loot. Ooh, one. There's a one right there. What the other one? They got two. Sneak up nothing behind her. Bye. Bot, yo! 22 kills on me, yo! 22 kills on me! Oh my god. 22 kills on me! Oh my god, I never ever did that before, guys. I never hit 22 kills in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god. So you guys, I'm gonna end this video with 22 kills. Oh my god, yo. Whew. Oh my god. Oh, season level 9? So I'll see you guys later. Man, I'm happy. See you guys later, y'all.